Do you think an unknown or suspicious app may be installed on your Android phone? Some apps may not appear on your home screen, but they can still be installed on your device. In this video, I'll show you how to check every installed app, review app permissions, scan your phone with Google Play Protect, and safely remove apps you don't trust. Do not uninstall an app only because its name looks unfamiliar. Some Android system apps are important for your phone. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps. On some phones, this option may be called App Management, Manage Apps, or Apps and Notifications. Now tap See All Apps, App List, or Manage Apps. You should now see every application installed on your phone. Slowly scroll through the list. Look for apps you do not remember installing. Also check for apps with strange names, blank icons, duplicate names, or icons that look similar to popular apps. Remember, an unfamiliar app is not automatically dangerous. Some system apps use technical names. Tap the app you want to investigate. You will now see the app information page. Check the app's name, icon, storage usage, battery usage, and mobile data usage. Large storage or battery use does not always mean the app is harmful. However, an app you rarely use should not normally have a lot of unexplained background activity. From the app information page, tap Permissions. You may see permissions for the camera, microphone, location, contacts, phone calls, text messages, photos and videos, or nearby devices. Think about whether the app really needs these permissions. For example, a camera app may need camera permission. A navigation app may need location permission, but a simple calculator probably does not need access to your microphone, contacts, messages, and location. Tap any permission that does not make sense. Choose Don't Allow. You may also see options such as Ask Every Time or Allow Only while using the app. Some features may stop working after you remove a permission. You can allow it again later when necessary. Return to the app information page. Tap Battery or Battery Usage. Check whether the app has been running for a long time in the background. Next, tap Mobile Data, Data Usage, or Wi-Fi data usage. Check whether the app is using a large amount of internet data. Social media, video, navigation, and gaming apps can naturally use more data and battery, but unusual background activity from an app you do not use is worth checking. Now, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Next, tap Manage. Find the app you are checking. Tap the app and review its developer name, description, reviews, and update information. Make sure it is the official app and not a copy using a similar name or icon. When the app does not appear in your Play Store list, it may have been installed from another app store, an installation file, or it may have come pre-installed on the phone. This does not automatically mean it is dangerous, but you should check it carefully. Open the Google Play Store again. Tap your profile picture. Now tap Play Protect. Tap Scan. Google Play Protect will check your installed apps for potentially harmful behavior. Wait for the scan to finish. When Play Protect shows a warning, follow the instructions on the screen. It may recommend disabling or uninstalling an unsafe app. Tap the settings icon inside Play Protect. Make sure Scan Apps with Play Protect is turned on. You may also see Improve Harmful App Detection. Turn this option on when it is available. Now open your phone's settings again. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Open Permission Manager. On some phones, Permission Manager may appear directly inside the privacy menu. Start with Camera. Review every app allowed to use your camera. Remove camera access from apps that do not need it. Go back and open Microphone. Review the allowed apps. Then check Location, Contacts, Phone, SMS, and Photos and Videos. Pay close attention to apps that have access to several sensitive permissions without a clear reason. Tap the app and choose Don't Allow, Ask Every Time, or Allow Only while using the app. Return to Settings. Open Apps, tap See All Apps. Select the app you no longer trust. Before removing it, make sure it is not an important Android system service. Check the exact app name, developer information, and Play Store page. When you are sure the app is unnecessary or suspicious, tap Uninstall. Tap OK or Uninstall again to confirm. Wait for the app to be removed. You can also uninstall an app from the Play Store. Open the Play Store. Tap your profile picture. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Tap Manage. Select the app and tap Uninstall. Some pre-installed apps cannot be completely removed. You may see Disable instead of Uninstall. Disabling an app stops it from running and usually removes it from the regular app list. Do not disable an important system app unless you understand what it controls. Disabling the wrong system app may cause phone features to stop working. Some work, school, parental control, or device management apps may be protected. After removing the suspicious app, restart your phone. Open the Play Store again. Go to Play Protect and run another scan. Now check for phone updates. Open Settings. Tap Software Update, System Update, or Security and Privacy. Install any available Android security update or Google Play System Update. After removing the app, watch your phone for a while. Check whether unwanted pop-up advertisements have stopped. Check whether the battery is still draining unusually fast. Look for unexplained mobile data use, browser redirects, or apps appearing again without your permission. A factory reset should only be used as a last option because it erases information stored on the device. And that's how to check every installed app and safely remove suspicious apps from an Android phone. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Kiba Creative for more simple Android security and privacy tutorials. Thanks for watching.